Hey Chip, you're eating too much protein. Stop eating the protein.
Shut up, Sean.
Chip?
I've done it! I finally completed the time travel machine! Great success!
Why'd you do that?
Excretion.
Let's go.
I'm Sean Edwin!
And I'm Chip Smithy!
And this is Nature Adventures! Excretion.
Wait, what is this excretion you speak of?
It's the process of getting rid of waste matters from the blood, tissues, or organs.
So like pooping?
Actually, Chippy Boy, one would think that, but actually, the excretory system is like a filter for the bloodstream.
So poop isn't in the bloodstream.
No, Chip, poop is in the digestive system.
Let's go explore the excretory system!
Excretory system.
That one.
Yes.
Sitting on the toilet. 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 Now flush.
Well, it's safe to say, Chip, that was the wrong thing. That wasn't the excretory system. So, let's try something a little bit. We've made it.
Ah, yes, the lungs.
Wait, what do they do again?
They excrete carbon dioxide and water vapor and exhale the air.
Oh, yeah!
Exhale and blow away all your tensions. With each breath, let your body relax. Feel yourself relaxing.
What's next?
Well, according to this, it's the kidneys.
What do they do?
They excrete nitrogen wastes, salts, water, and other substances in urine. Now, Chip, there should be one more thing to complete this excretory system video.
That would be the skin, my dear fellow.
Ah, yes! What does the skin do?
Why, obviously, it excretes water, salts, small amounts of nitrogen waste, and other substances in sweat.
I'm sexy and I know it. I'm sexy and I know it.
Wowza! That's some good excretion.
Yes, nothing like a good workout to end the day, but I feel like we're forgetting something important.
Let me check. You mean like the process by which blood filters?
That's it!
First of all, a nephron is a tiny tube in the kidney. 3 phases occur when the blood flows through the nephron. In filtration, the glomerulus acts as a filter. Reabsorption is the movement of substances back into the blood capillaries.
Secretion is when substances can pass from the blood into the filtrate. This all ties into the elimination of urine. Urine is formed from substances left after the absorption and secretion processes.
Well, Chip, gotta tell you did a very good job. It's a, what, 3rd video now? Mm-hmm. Hey, wait, Chip, what's wrong, buddy?
You know, Sean, science is cool and all, but I just want to be a librarian.
Chip, I knew this day would come where you would outgrow the magic of science. And I've decided to give you something, in case you have any regrets. You need it more than I.
I'll always remember you, Sean.
For the love and from around in the swampy August dawn. What a mischief you would bring, young darling, when the onus is not all your own. When you're up for it before you've grown. Whoa, whoa. From the phone forever gone, in the tower.